Reminders before the installation. 1. Relax. Deal with dust or bubbles in the final step. 2. Avoid bending the film to keep it reusable. 3. It's okay to touch the glue side and align it with the screen. First of all, set up your space and prepare the installation materials. Screen protectors. An isolation sheet. And a cloth. Secondly, the most important part, keep your hands clean. Grease-free fingers will help with the installation. Then, use the cloth with a bit of rubbing water to clean the screen surface. Next, remove the rest of the dust by the isolation sheet. Please keep the used sheet, which will be reused later. After completely cleaning the screen, tear off the screen protector. Don't worry about touching the sticky side of the film. It totally won't affect the installation. Then, line up the screen protector along the top and the bottom and lay the screen protector. Finally, if there are bubbles, simply press the bubble by using your finger with a little force. Use the protective film removed from the screen protector, or a piece of tape to flip over the screen protector. Then, form a U-shaped tape between thumb and forefinger with sticky side facing out. Carefully grab the dust off the protector. If there are quite a few dust bubbles, how about dust bubbles? Take out the used isolation sheet and remove the dust particles on the sticky side. See? That's easy. Follow these instructions and embrace your new Facebook Portal Plus.